All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Another day, we're right at Koh Pha Ngan. Have a look. Koh Pha Ngan, full moon party town. I'm going to get to accommodation. See you there, or maybe out somewhere. We're off for a seafood barbecue. So I was saying, we're off for a seafood barbecue. The Milky Beach Resort. That's where we're going. Barbecue, 6 PM. Seafood, beef, steak. Let's go. Right, so go walk down here past these little beach villa sort of things. The Milky Bay Resort. I'm calling it the Milky Bar Resort here. Milky Bay Resort. Here's a pool. You could use the pool as well. Come and use it tomorrow. Let's have a look at it. Half indoor, half outdoor pool. There we go. Here's a fish. Okay. Red snapper. Mackerel. Aracuda. Thank you. So we're getting the barbecue. Is it 6 o'clock yet? We're having the barbecue.
Yeah, so.
Do we just, what do we do?
You want to show over there? You want to show with me?
Oh, we're going to show them what we want. Ah,
We are
right.
gripping here, I'll go on the table.
Okay, thank you.
No, without squeeze or without muscles, yeah?
No
One big crumb.
Yeah. Okay.
You want more extra barracuda?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Thank you.
Thank you. 300 gram, 190 gram. This one barracuda.
That's 100, 300 gram, 300 for that then.
100 gram, 190 gram, 100 gram,
So
150
it'll be about 250 then.
Yeah,
Wow. What's that?
that's it.
Okay.
Okay. You don't want this one? You can take extra. You can take extra. You give me this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we put this one is free.
Okay, good. That sounds better. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
That sounds a better deal.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll get drinks. Right, so the drinks. Where are the drinks? Drinks. Cocktails are 120 it says. Why did it say 170 there? Oh, strawberry daiquiri. Oh, it's got a wee doggy as a friend. Always got a friend, a doggy friend, haven't we? So we have. You on the video? Here we are, we're having a meal, barbecue over there. Take my glasses off, can't see what I'm filming, but it'll probably be better. And here's the view. Hello doggy. that's everything ordered. I'm going to do some Insta TikTok shots now. Follow me on Insta TikTok as well, the Baldy vlogger. Starting off with a strawberry daiquiri. The kiwi. There we go. Let's go and have a watch some of our fish being cooked. Hello. Filming the fish being cooked. What fish is that?
Snapper.
Oh, is it a snapper?
Yes.
Oh, it's not very red anymore. Oh goodness, here's the chicken. The steak. Oh, look at this, look. Is that ours? I think that's ours.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. Thank you. Looks good. So that's it. Almost ready. It looks good.
Seafood
Thank you.
platter.
Seafood platter. Thank you.
This is a little bit spicy.
Okay.
The white sauce is no spicy.
No spicy.
Okay.
And what we got here?
The snapper, mackerel, barracuda, and prawn.
Okay.
Vegetable potato.
Thank you.
Yes, this one for the bone.
Here we go. Look at this. Oh, Doggy's happy to see it all anyway. Yeah, let's get that bit on here. Just chuck that on. Okay. There we go. I'm going to eat this now. I'm not filming myself eating. I'm just going to eat it. Else I'll end up choking on flipping bones. I'll film the first bit and that's it. I like eating fish with fingers. That's where they got the meaning of fish fingers from. Lovely. Anyway, I'm going to eat this. See you after. That fish was amazing. I think the best bit was a red snapper. I loved it juicy, love red snappers. And this wee dog here finished off in mackerel, so I was stuffed. Oh, there we go. All done. 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 So that's me for now. I don't know if it's the end of the video, but if it is, goodbye, subscribe and like. But if it's not, I should see you again in a minute.